Okay, in example 3, we're going to try to find the nth term in a sequence. So they're going to give us a certain term, and we're going to find it. I find this example a little bit hilarious, just because it is so unrealistic, unless people are actually doing this for their diets. Javier wants to eat less chocolate each day. Javier's just been eating too much chocolate, so to achieve this, he decides to start with his normal amount, a 50-gram bar of chocolate, and eat half of it the first day, then half of what is left in the bar the second day, then half of that the third day, and so on. Um, Technically, he will never finish this bar of chocolate, so I guess this is a good diet. If Javier starts on Monday, what is the mass of the piece that he will eat on Friday? What should he expect for his nice little morsel on Friday? Well, describing the task in our own words, we're taking 50. We're figuring out what's half of that, what is half of that, what is half of that, and we are generating a sequence, and we are needing to figure out where in the sequence Friday is, basically. So I think we say, what is our first day? This starts on the first day, starts on a Monday. Okay, so if we are starting on a Monday, then our first term is Monday. Then we have Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. We're starting with 50. Sorry, we're not starting with 50. We have a 50-gram chocolate bar. We're eating half of that the first day, so we're starting with 25. We're eating half of that the next day. We're eating half of that the day after, half of that the day after that, and half of that the day after that. 1.5, 125, something like that. That might be might be a little bit off. I'm trying to do that in my head. I think that one's not correct. What is 3.125 divided by 2? 3.125 divided by 1.5625. Okay. Okay, so rounding up, it would be approximately 1.6 grams. Now, if we're going to take a look at that using one of our formulas, you'd want to think about which formula comes to mind first. Well, there's those two different versions. There's the explicit formula and there's the recursive formula. The recursive formula was the one that compares any two numbers next to each other. That's where we say some number is just the previous number times our ratio. So it looks like our ratio would be like 0.5. That's what we're multiplying by. If you want that as a fraction, you can say 1/2. Okay, so the recursive formula is telling that the relationship between two consecutive terms. That's not really what we want because we didn't know the consecutive term to Friday. We didn't know Thursday or Saturday off the bat. But the explicit formula compares the very first term to any term in the sequence. So if we were going to do the explicit formula, what we would get would look like this. So our explicit formula, a sub n would equal 25, so that's Monday's amount, times 1/2 repeatedly, right? Our exponent is repeated multiplication. So if we want to get out to the fifth day, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, if we want to get out to the fifth day, then we need to go 4 steps over, right? We start on Monday, we need to take 1, 2, 3, 4 steps over. We need to repeatedly multiply 4 times. So that's why the fifth day will be represented with an exponent with a power of 4, right? 5 minus 1. And that will get us to about 1.6. Okay, so that's kind of all there is to it.